Managing product data should be easy, but it can be very time-consuming. An integrated PIM and DAM system enables centralized management of product information and digital files. When using Kontainer's product information management tool, our market-leading digital asset management is included. However, this video only focuses on the core PIM features. Now let's explore the PIM. In the main view of the product information section, all products, including all product variations, are displayed. When clicking on a product, you will see all the data fields relevant to your products. Fields can be grouped to give the best user experience. In my demo, I have grouped fields into details and read-only data from the ERP system, marketing and SEO texts, ESG data, and assets. When it comes to assets like images, videos, product sheets, technical guides, size guides, and so on, all of these are automatically linked from the DAM system to specific products. You can arrange them to determine the order in which they are placed in webshops. Remember that my fields are just examples. You will have exactly the fields that match your products and workflows, and you can easily adjust them as you grow and require more fields. Choosing from several field types like radio buttons, checkboxes, numeric fields, text inputs, or dropdowns, you can maintain all kinds of product data and set up automated workflows. Speaking of drop-down fields, the options you can choose from here are what we call resources. Resources are predefined values for product groups, markets, color, certificates, or other related products. Each resource value can contain multiple sub-values, and they can be linked to various products. Kontainer supports AI-powered automated text generation and translations. Simply connect your OpenAI account. Choose from predefined prompt tasks or type in your own prompt. On top of all fields, you can have overall data dimensions. A dimension is a field-bound variation like language, currencies, or measurements like centimeters or inches. Let's have a look at the left-hand side. These are your channels. A channel is a selection of products that match or do not match certain criteria. For example, you can create a channel consisting of all products of a specific product category or display all products that are live and active on a specific webshop. Use channels for quality control by filtering all products that are missing, for example, the main image or a specific translation, and get an overview of all your webshop and marketplace integrations. View the completeness of a selection of products where you have predefined what data needs to be filled out for the product to be 100% complete for the purpose at hand. Simply create the channels you need for your own workflows and integrations. Let's say I want a channel to export data for a specific distributor. First, I want to choose which fields I want to share. No reason to share fields that aren't relevant for this distributor. If you like, you can sort the fields, which can be relevant when exporting, for example, to Excel. Having chosen all the fields we want, we need to decide which products should be included in this channel. One option would be just to type in specific item numbers that should be displayed in the list. Another option is to create dynamic lists of products. If this is the case, you want to turn this channel into a smart channel. This means we are adding filter criteria determining which products should be included on an ongoing basis. Save these filters for a channel to turn it into a dynamic smart channel. You can set individual permissions on each channel for specific users or user groups. Here you can choose between view, download, edit, or delete access to specific channels. So, for instance, I have a German translator I want to provide access to for a smart channel showing all products where the German translation needs to be approved. I want to give her view access to all the English fields and write permissions to the German fields. Users can subscribe to channels and be notified if new products are added. And if it's a smart channel, products will be removed automatically if they no longer match the criteria. For instance, if the German translations have been approved. Another use case could be a supplier with access to enriching their own products directly in your PIM. You can also bulk edit product data. Depending on the field type, you will have several options to change or enrich the values fast and easy on multiple products. You can export and import data for enrichment outside the PIM. When exporting product information and assets, you can choose standard formats or different customized output formats using your brand guidelines for product sheets or catalogs in Excel, PDF, Word, and so on. In Kontainer DAM, you can define if images should be automatically cropped, resized, or converted to specific reseller requirements. Lastly, Kontainer offers a full API to support all the integrations you need, and an admin interface where you can maintain and add product data fields. Thanks for watching this short presentation of Kontainer PIM. To experience the system yourself or see how others use the container, book a commitment-free demo with one of our product experts.